Okay, now we'll open the...
Yes. We shall chat later about life.
Okay, now I'd like to open the floor for the media to ask questions. Do we have questions here for Huma and our other cover story ladies?
Yeah, so I have a question for Huma. What was your...
No, because I was so sick and tired of everyone asking me, "To, ab aap kab size 0 बनने वाली हैं?" You know, so, but no, I think it's a great cover. I think the idea behind it is very great, that it's not about who you are, where you come from. You could come from any socio-geographical, political background, you could have any kind of leanings, you could look a particular way, you could have a disability maybe, but the fact is that if you have fire in your belly,
Hi, Sleek. What really made you do a cover like this? In the sense, did you find yourself having to conform to certain stereotypes that come with being a Bollywood actress that today you find the need to break away from? Or did you find yourself at a handicap if you did not match these stereotypes in the industry that we come from?
well, thank you for your question. It's a very pertinent question, and I have to admit that, you know, I've been very fortunate. You know, I've been in Bombay for about 4.5 years now. You know, I'm working with some filmmakers that are probably on the wish list of every actor. I'm pretty happy in terms of where my career is going. You know, and honestly, the kind of filmmakers I worked with or the films I've done, they've never really asked me to change anything about who I am. They've hired me because they felt I could do the job, that I was a decent actor. And, you know, and I thank them humbly for all the confidence they've shown in me. But yes, of course, sometimes it's not very nice to hear very unflattering comments in blogs and social media about you. And I'm quite a social media friendly person, you know. I read everything that there's out there. Yeah, it's not nice. And you understand that sometimes, you know, people are just doing for attention. Some people just do it because I guess it's just it's something you can say on social media and run away with. It doesn't really matter. But what it does collectively for a lot of people who are consuming this information is that it sets very negative kind of role models for people who are watching it or consuming it, and that's not really cool. I've always, you know, I've always been very happy in my skin. I've grown up in a family where I had a lot of love. Although they were very conservative, I was never told you can't do something because, you know, because you're a girl, or because something's allowed to your brothers but they're not allowed to you. I think that was very important. That gave me a lot of confidence in myself as a person. And I think वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. मतलब if you always are told that there's something you can't have or you're not good enough, I think if you're that self-belief or that self-esteem is sort of shaken, you can't do anything. Initially, of course, I mean, like all girls, I've also done the whole rigmarole, falling fat diets and everything. You know, because it's like this constant thing that you have to just do. You just have to be perfect in every possible way. But I guess you should just, if you learn to be happy with yourself and you learn to accept yourself for who you are, I think that just keeps you happy in the long run.
Hi, ma'am. Kinjal from E24. मैं थोड़ी सी हेल्दी हूँ एंड पीपल से दैट बहुत मोटी हो एंड पतले हो जाने चाहिए एंड ऑल दैट सो
उससे बात करना बंद कर दो, वो दोस्त नहीं है आपके.
तो मुझे आपसे टिप्स चाहिए कि क्या कर सकते हैं, लाइक बिकॉज यू जस्ट सेड दैट माई बॉडी माई रूल, सो एंड आई feel that I am perfect according to me. So I want you to give me some tips on that.
But you are perfect. Everyone will look it up. Can you stand up for us, please? Just stand up for us. Isn't she amazing? Isn't she beautiful? Come on, let's just clap for her.
Thank you so much.
You know, you said you're perfect just now, and then you said, but you'd like her to say something to you or give you any advice. That's exactly a contradiction in the statement, and that's exactly the problem that happens with all of us women, is we should actually just believe that we're perfect, and if we're saying it, then we should believe it and we should live it, and you shouldn't ask anybody for an approval, whether it is, you know, no offense, a Bollywood star or anybody else, for that matter.
हाय उमा, जिस तरह आपने कहा कि आप मीडिया फ्रेंडली हैं, हमेशा मीडिया के साथ रहते हैं, बट लास्ट टाइम 2 बार से आप मीडिया को अवॉइड कर रही हैं, एक बार से फोटो अप करके आप चली गई थी और आज काफी लेट आई हैं. क्या कहेंगे इस पूरे मामले में?
नहीं, लेट तो नहीं आए हैं, लेकिन हाँ, बिकॉज ऑफ द मानसून एंड द रेन्स आउटसाइड, द मीडिया ऑल्सो गॉट बिट डिलेड.
बॉम्बे में नहीं हो रही है. आज क्या हुआ कि आज देखिए ना, बाहर बारिश बहुत सुंदर हो रही है और ट्रैफिक भी बहुत है, सब लोग लेट हो रहे हैं. बट आई एम सॉरी अगर आपको लगा कि मैं मीडिया को अवॉइड कर रही हूँ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई एम मोस्ट ओपन टू ऑल क्वेश्चंस एंड आप जो भी आपका मन करे आज के मुद्दे के बारे में आप मुझसे पूछ सकती हैं, आप सबसे पूछ सकती हैं.
लास्ट टाइम क्या रीजन था कि आप चली गई थी बिना बाइट्स दिए हुए?
लास्ट टाइम मेरी एक मीटिंग थी बहुत जरूरी और मुझे बोला नहीं गया था कि मुझे बाइट्स दिए, तो आई जस्ट हैड टू कम देयर फॉर अ फोटो ऑप.
Hi, Huma. Since talking about Be Unstoppable, I think you were a little taken aback with the reports of your link-ups in the past. I think this is slightly out of the box I'm asking, so I'm just asking you. Today you are just Be Unstoppable. What made you wrong? You know, what made you take yourself back with the reports of your link-ups, and you know, why it is so?
I don't think I understand your question. No, I really don't. Like unstoppable, matlab,
like this, the issue talks about Be Unstoppable, right? This is a Femina issue talks about Be Unstoppable. But in the past, you were a little taken aback with your reports of link-ups with a lot of people, and like, there were rumors about your marriage and a lot of that stuff. So
I just feel very flattered that people are more than my mother. The media is concerned about when I'm getting married, but this is not the right forum for me to talk about my marriage right now. Let's talk about the new issue. Let's talk about all these wonderful women that are here and talk about their achievements and their stories.
Okay, I'll ask one question because
please ask the easy one.
And not to Huma. No, too many questions directed at you. But this is to everyone, and especially Deandra. You mentioned that you have been a model, and the first time you shaved your head when you were 20, then 30. My question to all of you, unstoppable women, is: are things changing in India? Is it becoming easier, a wee bit easier for women to be unstoppable, or nothing is changing and we are only pushing water uphill?
Should I go first? You know what? It actually is changing. I believe that it is. I see it happening every day. I experience things, and I know that a lot is changing. Having said that, there's one thing I'd like to tell the press, that, you know, you're here at an event where there's so many wonderful women and from all walks of life, and with such brilliant stories. And I entered and I was so overwhelmed. It's very sort of disheartening on some level to see educated people and women sitting here and have no questions whatsoever, because I have so many questions I'd like to ask these women. There's so much time I'd like to spend with them. You have the opportunity to meet these women. I'm so glad I have. And it's very, very sad and disheartening that we have women in 2014, young women, young men of India, and you really had nothing to ask any of them. Like, it's, you know, so it is changing, and then you have this. So, what do you say?
I do have a lot of questions to ask, though, if the media would allow me. Do you have a question? The lady behind?
I have a question. Okay, I have a question for Tanishta Chatterjee. Do you think Bollywood has become more accepting of female actors with dusky complexion?
I think it always was mixed, because we had a lot of dusky actresses. We had Kajol, we had Rani Mukherjee, we had Smita Patil, Shabana Azmi. I mean, through times we've had dusky actresses, but it's still out of the rule. And it still is, like, you know, it's still a long fight. Like, we were a part of a campaign called Dark is Beautiful, and a lot of people actually in Bollywood who are dusky did not want to be a part of the campaign because they did not want to confirm that they're dusky. So these things are pretty complex. So it's definitely better than before. And like Diana said, that things are changing for not only for dusky women but for women. But things are also not changing. There are many areas. Actually, my mother says it was better in her times than it is for me. So I think we as women are going through a very interesting transition, and which is about everything. It's about body type, it's about curly hair or straight hair, it's dusky or fair, it's all those cliches, you're tall or short. And it's going to take a longer time for all of us to actually get over these biases. And these platforms that Femina has come up with, I think these platforms are very important because it discusses these issues and unless it changes.
Yeah, taking Tarun's question forward to the other ladies on the panel, I'd also like to ask Sangeeta, do you think things have changed? Do you believe things are improving, or are they much the same?
Delhi, and she's been a very active part of the Delhi Theatre Circle, and what she's doing over there is really, really inspiring and very wonderful. So
now I'm Bombay based as well, so no more Delhi for me.
Absolutely, now she's Bombay based as well, and now she's directing her own film, and it's just amazing what, I mean, no, I guess nothing is too big for you to reach, I guess. And I guess the more and more,
even the impossible has a possible.
Well, impossible is possible. Excellent. सुब्रीत, आपको भी लगता है कि things are changing, चीजें बदल रही हैं, हम लोगों का society, समाज बदल रहा है?
थोड़ा बहुत बदल रहा है. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम इसको चेंज करें, पर हमको ज़रूरत है कि हमारे साथ सब लोग हमारे साथ लगे, हमारे साथ जुड़ें, ताकि जो सोसाइटी है वो पूरी तरह चेंज हो. आज भी हम जब इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी हम बाहर निकलते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं कोई बैड कमेंट सुनने को मिलता है. तो ये सब कहीं ना कहीं दुखता है कि इतना सब कुछ करने के बाद भी लोग ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. तो हम सबको आप सबकी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, तभी ये बिल्कुल चेंज होगा.
And it is because of these unstoppable women that the world around will hopefully change. Do we have any more questions from the media?
I would like to ask Subreet one question, that the motto of the magazine, that My Body, My Rules, how does that inspire you in terms of dancing or in terms of your life?
ये जो मोटो है इसने मुझे इंस्पायर ऐसे किया कि अगर मैं अपनी बॉडी को वैसे ही लेके बैठ जाती, जैसे लोग सोचते हैं कि इसके साथ इतना बड़ा हादसा हो गया, अभी ये घर में बैठ जाए, कुछ मत करे. कई लोगों ने कहा भी मुझे जब मैं प्रैक्टिस करती थी कि तुम क्या कर रही हो, तुम ये सब क्यों कर रही हो, तुम घर में बैठो, तुम्हें खाने को नहीं मिलेगा क्या, तुम्हारी मदर तुम्हारी सब कुछ नहीं करेंगी तुम्हारे साथ. तो ये सब मुझे दुखता था. तो मैं सबको कहती थी कि मेरी मर्जी है, मैं जो मर्जी करूं, मेरी लाइफ है, मेरी बॉडी है, तो मैं इसके साथ जो मर्जी करूं.
That's my body, my rules for you.
And to Diandra also, I would like to ask one question, that you said whenever you had shaved off your hair, people say, has she lost it and something. So what was your reaction to them? Like, what was your counter reaction to them?
You know, actually, I'll be very specific. The rumors I heard from the industry was, from some good friends, was that apparently she's like Britney Spears. You know, everything in her life is going wrong and she's losing it, and, you know, she's losing her shit, tattoos, and what's going on, you know? And I said, really? Give me a hockey stick and then we'll talk. So, you know, the thing is, like she said when she was speaking earlier to us, and she said that just so many people say so many things, and how none of us will ever be perfect. Being in this industry, I cannot agree more. And being a woman, forget being in this industry, now I just realized being a woman, you're constantly being thrown in with so much stuff, and you just have to throw all of that garbage out, and we have to learn how to love ourselves, and that's the chaos. The chaos is coming from the fact that many things are coming from the fact that we just don't love ourselves enough. We've forgotten how to love ourselves.